Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix errors when downloading videos in Adobe Express. If you've been running into issues trying to export your video projects, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve those download problems quickly. First, open your web browser and head over to new.express.adobe.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you straight to your Adobe Express workspace where all your projects are stored. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Recent Files section. You'll see this option displayed on your dashboard, and from here, click on View All. This opens up your complete project library, making it easier to locate the specific video you're trying to download. Take a moment to browse through and find the project that's been giving you trouble. Once you've located your video project, click on it to open it up. With your project now open, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Download button. Go ahead and click on it. This brings up the Download Settings menu where you can configure how your video will be exported. In the Download menu, navigate to the Resolution settings. You'll see a drop-down menu that displays various resolution options. Click on this drop-down and select 720p. This is a crucial step because resolution plays a major role in whether your download will succeed or fail. While it might be tempting to choose the highest quality available, higher settings like 1080p demand significantly more processing power from Adobe's servers. If your project contains many effects, stock assets, or if you're using a free tier account, these higher resolutions can easily exceed the available resources and cause your download to fail. By selecting 720p, you're choosing a balanced option that maintains good video quality while being much more forgiving on system resources. After you've confirmed that your resolution is set to 720p, click the Download button to start the export process. Your video will now begin processing and should download without encountering the errors you experienced before. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.